Hi, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing review of Gundam Build Diaries 1/44 scale Gundam Love Phantom McGee's mobile suit, high grade. So yes, now we are actually going to take a look at all the wonders here. So first, let's take a look at the stickers. Stickers, very small sticker sheet. I don't know if you can actually get all this on camera, but there is 3 stickers. Obviously, the stickers for the eyes, and then there's 2 stickers right over here, which, there we go, we can see it a little bit better on camera. 2 stickers right there, which just goes for the head for the cameras. One for the front, one part for the back of the camera. Or maybe one goes for the big giant death scythe. So we do get very, very simple stickers. We have Wonder K over here, which says GLP Nor, so I guess that means it's for Gundam Nor. Now here's something that is kind of new on here. It says Bandai Spirit. Ooh, ookie spooky cookie, you know? Spirit. So what, did they get in lead with Halloween now? Because a lot of these things are saying Bandai Spirits. Spirits? What the heck? Bandai should just say Bandai. Why are they talking about Bandai Spirits? Ooh, or maybe it's like, oh, we are Japanese. The spirit of the ancestor of the Strike Nor, now inherited by inhabiting the body of the Love Phantom. Oh, amazing. Man, that's what they mean by Bandai Spirits. But if you buy this kit and you look on there, it would say Bandai Spirits. Other kits does not say Bandai Spirits. So this is some parts from, I guess, the Strike Nor. This is Wonder C. And I can't read this because it's all in kind of so Japanese. But here's that queer bit that I was talking about for the, you know, queer shield type of thing. So you get that. This just says Bandai 2016 on the back of this one. So some of them will say odd little things on there. Okay, so on this set over here, J2 says LP and then something in Japanese. Bandai Spirits yet again, 2018. Wonder B1. Bingo! Does high grade, so it has HGCE, whatever that means. 2001 1144 scale. Made in 2016, okay. So some of these are kind of wacky when it comes to them. And of course we have 2 letter I, which is HG 1144 LP. Bandai Spirits 2018 again. So these are obviously from the Strike Nor's backpack. E2. Which is just the joints. A2, which, I don't know, magenta you might call this. It's not really purple, it's not really pink, it's a cross between pink and purple. But it seems like it works. For parts for the Gundam. Let's get on to this baggie here. Some more parts for the Gundam. Just says LP and it's L1. So little itty bitty tiny parts in there. Then we have E1, which what's the parts? What's the crotch piece for the frame for the skirts and stuff. The hands, which looks like we want. Oh, we get open hands, and we get the holding hands. Okay, so we get those in that baggie. You know what? I didn't really see the piece that forms the dust scythe. Huh. And that's supposed to be a gray old black piece. J1 has this. Wow, that actually looks like a little sword right there. That's pretty cool. So that's J1. And then also, here's the hidden Sittle blade that falls out from the wing. Part A1, which we can see very teeny tiny fragile V-fin there. And I don't know if this part is for the V-fin, for the heart shape or not, because they're showing that that's in purple, but the V-fin shows that it's in yellow. Okay, so we don't actually use that purple V-fin. We use this V-fin. Wow, there's like 3 V-fins in here. There's this little